out on iDrive this morning. So we've got a little surprise for the little man. So he's a bit of a car head, petrol head. We've got a car for a couple of days. How do you reckon we should get to the IHOP?
Take one of these.
Should we take a car?
These ones.
What should we take?
Those ones.
What car would you like to ride in the most? Oh,
That one.
that one. Do you think we can take it? Think we should?
Imagine taking that one. You want to go? Go that side. Open it then.
You can't. Oh.
Nice and gently.
Mind the doors. So,
Oh my god.
we've hired this for a couple of days.
Can we keep it?
What, forever?
Daddy's a bit excited as well.
Can we bring it back to England?
Oh my god. The acceleration is mad.
Yeah.
Alright, listen to it.
Red light.
Just wandering over to IHOP because it looks like there's people waiting outside, so we may have a little bit of a wait until we can get in. And IHOP is absolutely rammed and they don't seem in any hurry to get people through the doors. So I think I did notice there was a Denny's just down here, so we might go and try Denny's instead, see if we can get in any quicker. We've now got the roof down. How exciting is this, mate?
Cool.
So exciting you're on the phone. Mason's just realised she's got a whole thing of syrup here.
Don't touch the end though.
So Mason's having a grand slam. I'm having this one. Which looks epic.
Oh, that's it there, is it?
That's got hash browns.
Look at the syrup. Go on, give it a pour. There we go.
There we go. Me and Trevor.
Mummy has got,
I've got
the same as me.
I've got the diet option.
Good diet option. And I've got the other diet option.
So we have quite a bit of food. It's down to 47.42. Denny's plus tip. Oh, focus. And we're there. We are just at the premium outlet. Want to do a little bit of shopping. Mace needs some trainers. I don't know what I need, but I need stuff. I need to spend money.
We'll let you know what we need when we've got it.
Yeah. Don't know what I need yet, but I need it. Mason's been buying an Among Us pocket.
Tell all the viewers what you bought.
Some other.
And I don't know what this is, but that. And then
Fidget
the last
toys.
thing. Do you want the metal thing put on?
And you can clip it off your shorts. Mummy's very excited about this. Yeah, right.
Look at you. Oh, Disney heaven.
Oh, look at the spirit jerseys for the dogs and cats. Look. Oh, that's so cool.
Why is it on Christmas?
Because this store is all the old merch, so the stuff they're selling off cheaper, so that's why we wanted you to wait until today for some of the Disney stuff. So, come on. Oh, Mace, look at the light up necklaces. There. Mace, look. They're $4.99. Yeah. Oh, look at the talking Bruce. We finished shopping. Oh, Mason's got some little fidget toy things.
I've got a thing, and a Among Us puppet that goes pop, 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 pop.
Oh, it's knackered. It was so busy in there, wasn't it?
And also,
Well, it is a Saturday, but yeah, it's knackered. So we finished the outlets. I only got a little bit of footage because it was so hectic in there. Yeah, majorly. So we have come to Fun Spots.
for gaming.
One on the 192. So we just got to figure out because it says $10 parking. So I think we need to go into the Pirates Cove bit there.
They're going to ask the reg, aren't they?
Does it say it on the key? We don't know our reg. This looks quite cool. Adventure goal.
Dukes has it. Look at them, they're like they come off at the showroom, aren't
Look
they?
at the old Mustang. Yeah, don't worry, Mason. We've got to go get the tickets.
Wait, remember that truck?
Oh, look at that, Mace. Yeah.
Remember trash bumper car thing where you can bump?
Yeah.
That was bad.
Mace, look at this. How cool is that? So this is the Old Town, and Saturday night is classic car show night. I didn't think it started till a bit later, but it's only 4:20. Mace,
Right,
Mason, where are you going?
grocery set.
Okay, Mummy.
Come on. Here we go.
This is the grocery set.
Yeah, we've got to pick out something for dinner as well.
Oh yeah, there's also bubble one too.
Oh yeah.
When I was on the way out.
Oh, what's happening? Right. All these cakes. Cannolis. That looks epic, that confetti cake.
Wow.
Trevor's all healthy, and mine and Mason's are frosted sugar cookies. So, Mason's got a giant pot of cheese balls.
And my willy.
and some beef thing.
What are these?
It's like a little platter thing. We've got a little platter.
Look at my little peanut toy.
And oh my god, I've never toasted sugar cookies before, but these are epic.
Got some scissors.
Really nice. Yeah, I'll get some scissors.
Heaps before, they look delicious.
I'm sat here and the boys are playing in the pool. Just relaxing, the sun's just going down. Oh my god, I look a bit red. I think I've caught the sun today. Was that there? Oh.
That's colder when you get out, that's the wind.
Yeah. Just been in, refilled our cups. Got Trevor in his Mickey towel. This is our pool area. So this isn't the main pool, this is one of the smaller pools, but it's a lot quieter down this bit.